I hope this video help you improve your score on JLPT. On this channel, I'll focus on verb conjugation, correct use of particle, kanji reading, and pitch accent in Japanese vocabulary. One of the challenging aspects is to understand which particle should be used depending on the case. When I study English or Chinese, I would first check pronunciation of the word, then study grammatical structure, and finally, practice reading sentence. Conversely, when explaining Japanese, I like to take the same approach. Let's learn how to use the phrase ましたか? Please translate English sentence into Japanese. Did you buy the ticket at the station? First, we will learn some vocabulary to help with studying grammar. When learning new vocabulary, please pay attention to the pitch accent. There are 4 kinds of pitch accent in Japanese. The first things we must remember is the accent kernel. Accent kernel is a sound just before the pitch accent suddenly drop. The type of pitch accent will be changed depending on where the accent kernel will be located. In this video, high-pitch accent symbol is placed on particular molar to indicate which molar has high-pitch accent. Backslash is placed between high-pitch molar and low-pitch molar. According to Japanese pitch accent dictionary, this backslash indicates the position of the molar before the pitch accent drop. Kippu, it means ticket in Japanese. There's no accent kernel in the word. This word is classified under the first type of pitch accent. Let's add a particle to the word. Kippu wa, kippu o. Eki, it means station in Japanese. The accent kernel is located in first molar of the word. This word is classified under the second type of pitch accent. Let's add a particle to the word. 駅が駅でMust form is a basic polite verb form used in conversation to show the respect or politeness. This form is commonly used when speaking to people you don't know well or in formal situation. Must form is different from the respectful and humble language. We need to put the verb in conjunctive form before the phrase must. Let's take a look at the must form table. Mashita. It is a useful past tense in must form. But since it's a question, I'll put the ka at the end of the phrase. Kau, it means buy in English. It is a dictionary form of the verb. When we look up some verb in Japanese, every verb is written in dictionary form. That's why we call it dictionary form. Kau. This verb is classified under the Godan verb group. There are 5 kinds of verb in Japanese. The way of verb conjugation is different depending on what kind of verb you use in the sentence. There are 6 kinds of form in the verb conjugation. Verb conjugation table is useful for understanding which form we should use to create sentence. Kau. It is a dictionary form of the verb. Dictionary form is written in third form item of the verb conjugation table. Conjunction form is written in second form item. Now we will figure out which form to apply. We change third form, u, to second form, i. Kau. It is a transitive verb, so it requires object in the sentence. Wo. This particle is attached to the object of the verb. De. This particle is used to indicate the place where the action takes place or means of doing something. Did you buy the ticket at this station? この駅で切符を買いましたか？この駅で切符を買いましたか？この駅で切符を買いましたか？ Did you buy the ice at the department store? デパートで氷を買いましたか？デパートで氷を買いましたか？デパートで氷を買いましたか？